Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're comparing two popular automation and AI workflow tools, OpenClaw and N8N. Both can automate tasks and help teams get more done, but which one is actually better? Let's break it down. So OpenClaw is built around AI-powered collaboration, task automation, and workflow intelligence. It uses AI to summarize conversations, to extract action items, track progress, and even offer insights on your workflows. OpenClaw integrates with tools you already use to reduce manual work and keep your team synchronized. Some of its pros: automated task extraction and summaries, AI insights into workflow and communication, and tailored for collaboration and team productivity. However, it's still growing its integrations compared to more mature tools and can feel overkill if you just want simple automations. It's best for teams who want AI-assisted task insights, smarter meeting summaries, and collaboration intelligence. N8N is an open source automation platform that lets you connect apps and automate workflows that nodes and triggers. While not AI first at its core, N8N can plug in AI models and service to add intelligence, but its real strength is flexible, highly customizable automation logic across hundreds of integrations. Some of its pros: massive integration library with apps and APIs, highly customizable and extendable workflows, and open source with self-host and cloud options. However, AI features are add-ons, not built in by default, and steeper learning curve for non-tech users. It's best for developers and teams who want deep automation and custom workflows across multiple tools. So which one is better? Choose OpenClaw if you want an AI-first assistant focused on collaboration, automation, task insights, and workflow intelligence. Perfect for teams that want summaries, action item capture, and context-aware help. Choose N8N if you want robust, customizable automation and are comfortable building complex multi-app workflows, ideal for power users and technical teams. The bottom line: OpenClaw for AI-driven collaboration assistant and N8N for flexible workflow automation engine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.